English Welsh future tense. I will do.
Byddaf yn gwneud.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and smart practice. Ready to have some fun while you learn? Today we're tackling the Welsh future tense of to do.
Gwneud.
Short, powerful, and super useful. You'll hear real phrases like, I will do.
Byddaf yn gwneud.
And friends, with quick drills, a funny dialogue, and a snappy quiz. Strap in. If a procrastination monster knocks, we'll shout.
Byddaf yn gwneud.
And watch it melt like ice cream. Your goal today. By the end, you'll recognize and say the core future forms confidently. The verb is to do.
Gwneud.
Key forms you'll master. I will do.
Byddaf yn gwneud.
He will do.
Bydd e'n gwneud.
She will do.
Bydd hi'n gwneud.
We will do.
Byddwn ni'n gwneud.
You, plural, will do.
Byddwch yn gwneud.
They will do.
Byddan nhw'n gwneud.
Future forms quick drill. Repeat after me, short, punchy, confident. You've got this. I will do.
Byddaf yn gwneud.
He will do.
Bydd e'n gwneud.
She will do.
Bydd hi'n gwneud.
We will do.
Byddwn ni'n gwneud.
You, plural, will do.
Byddwch yn gwneud.
They will do.
Byddan nhw'n gwneud.
Base verb, to do.
Gwneud.
Funny office mini scene. Let's drop into a quick sketch, lightweight, useful, and a little silly. A. The printer is jammed again. Who's fixing it? B. No worries, he promised.
Bydd e'n gwneud.
A. And the inbox monster? B. She's on it.
Bydd hi'n gwneud.
A. The big report though? Team. Relax.
Byddwn ni'n gwneud.
Manager. Great. As a team.
Byddwch yn gwneud.
The first 3 steps. A. What about the leftover tasks? B. The evening crew?
Byddan nhw'n gwneud.
During snack time. A. Snack time? Suddenly I'm very productive. Rhythm drill. Clap and say. Let's lock it in with a beat, clap or tap along. Clap clap. Do.
Gwneud.
Do.
Gwneud.
Green light moment. He will do it.
Bydd e'n gwneud.
You, plural, will do the warm-up.
Byddwch yn gwneud.
The warm-up. Final chorus. We will do this.
Byddwn ni'n gwneud.
This. Culture tip. Wales and getting things done. A tiny cultural nudge helps memory stick. Before a big rugby match, you might hear confident promises like, they will do the hard work.
Byddan nhw'n gwneud.
The hard work. In teams and communities, calm reliability rules, she will do it.
Bydd hi'n gwneud.
No drama, just action. Lightning quiz. Quick fire. Say the Welsh, then I'll confirm. Q1. How do you say, I will do, in Welsh? A.
Byddaf yn gwneud.
Q2. The base verb, to do. A.
Gwneud.
Q3. He will do. A.
Bydd e'n gwneud.
Q4. She will do. A.
Bydd hi'n gwneud.
Q5. We will do. A.
Byddwn ni'n gwneud.
Q6. You, plural, will do. A.
Byddwch yn gwneud.
Q7. They will do. A.
Byddan nhw'n gwneud.
Your 30-second challenge. Speak out loud, micro goals, big gains. Make a promise to yourself starting with, I will do, say.
Byddaf yn gwneud.
Plus one task you choose. Assign the next steps to your imaginary team. You will do.
Byddwch yn gwneud.
Step 1. Finish with teamwork energy. We will do it together.
Byddwn ni'n gwneud.
It together. Thanks and next steps. You crushed it today, nice work.
Diolch.
For listening, keep practicing these forms throughout your day.
Byddaf yn gwneud. Bydd e'n gwneud. Bydd hi'n gwneud. Byddwn ni'n gwneud. Byddwch yn gwneud. Byddan nhw'n gwneud.
And the base verb.
Gwneud.
This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and freebies. Thanks for learning with us. Practice a little every day and your Welsh will fly. See you next time.